are few competitive business environments where fast, accurate data is more critical than in Formula One racing. We'll ride with one winning team and see how wireless information management helps speed the path to the finish line. Macy's on Herald Square in New York City, the world's largest store, now has a new distinction. And it's helping giant federated department stores set a new standard in customer service across the United States. Car thieves and traffic violators in Queensland, Australia, beware. Police are now armed with a new high-tech weapon in their war against lawbreakers. From Europe, North America, and down under, we'll see dramatic examples of how changing technology is impacting our lives around the globe on the Telxon Wireless Information Network. Formula One, the world's biggest spectator sport, constantly pushing man and machine to the limits. And no one has a better track record than the 7-time world champion Rothman-Williams-Renault team. In one of the most demanding applications imaginable, Telxon spread-spectrum technology transmits data from onboard computers as the powerful machines reach speeds in excess of 200 miles an hour. Despite extreme heat, stress, and vibration, the robust Telxon system enables engineers to constantly monitor performance and more thoroughly understand the car's dynamics. The result is optimum team performance in the quest for the checkered flag. The same technology that sets a winning pace in Formula One now helps major automakers and part suppliers to monitor quality control and speed the flow of product to the marketplace. At its Mammoth truck plant in Louisville, Kentucky, Ford Motor Company has installed the world's largest quality control monitoring system on assembly lines that turn out more than 200,000 trucks a year. It was the initial step in a technology partnering agreement with Telxon to implement advanced wireless transaction processing. The goal? To ensure that quality is always job one around the world. At the heart of the system are Telxon wireless pin-based and handheld mobile computers, strategically positioned at key points on the assembly line. The real-time information allows Ford to react immediately to problems, rather than hours or even days later. In Ford's massive UK parts center in Daventry, a Telxon wireless network also helps manage the distribution of 80,000 spare parts a day to dealers throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland. At Lopton in Germany, Eurolog's TranspoTrack software is mated with Telxon mobile computers to coordinate and expedite the delivery of components from several different suppliers to BMW. This technology is the key element in a sophisticated just-in-time system that tracks the flow of parts every step of the way. And in Spain, Fagor Ederland, a leading auto parts supplier to Rover, Honda, Ford, and Opel, says its new wireless quality control and inventory management systems have enabled the company to reduce warehouse space by 40%. In Australia, Telxon is on the scene even after the car leaves the showroom. National Roads and Motor Association, or NRMA, one of the world's largest auto clubs, is the first to employ wireless mobile technology to speed roadside assistance to motorists in distress. When a stranded member contacts NRMA's countrywide information center in Sydney, a dispatcher processes the call and instantly relays the information to a Telxon mobile computer in the nearest service vehicle. Within minutes, a certified mechanic is there to scope out the problem and make the repairs.
Good on you, man. Thanks very much for that. Good on you.
The auto industry is just one of many global businesses reaping the benefits of wireless real-time information management. You don't have to say cheese to make management smile at Kraft Jacob Suchard near Brussels. Just mention wireless. A new Telxon material management and processing control system tracks all incoming ingredients, production, warehouse functions, and outgoing orders in real time for this large producer of cheese products and other food items. One of the first spread spectrum applications in Europe, the Kraft system flawlessly handles a staggering 5,000 transactions a day, including 700 pallets of finished goods. This is the Associated Weavers Group in Belgium, which turns out 50 million miles of tufted printed carpeting a year. A Telxon warehouse management system that functions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, helps to accurately fill 25,000 custom orders a month. Keeping high-performance aircraft flying around the world requires a high-tech ground support system. That's why the Royal Air Force is using Telxon mobile computers and wireless networks to track more than 360,000 parts at its vast warehouse in Stafford, England. This is the bridal registry at Macy's in New York, where Telxon technology is helping brides-to-be get exactly what they want when they say, "I do." With Telxon technology in hand, customers simply browse the department and scan their selections. Information is transmitted directly to their bridal registry file. Other advanced wireless applications at Macy's include price verification, peak load processing, furniture reservations, and more. These leading-edge approaches to improving customer service are part of the world's largest wireless retail information management system under one roof. Forward-thinking Federated, the world's biggest department store chain, has rolled out this innovative wireless store concept in nearly 400 stores across the United States.
Thank you very much for shopping at Macy's.
In the world of retailing, no one outperforms Walmart in sales volume. As part of the world's largest retail information management network, Walmart has deployed more than 70,000 Telxon wireless devices throughout its 2,000-plus stores. By placing the power of its merchandising systems in the hands of its associates on the selling floor, Walmart achieves buying decisions that better meet the changing expectations of its customers. Successful retailing has always been a marriage of many elements: the right merchandise at the right place at the right time, competitive pricing, and people dedicated to providing the kind of service that keeps customers coming back. Today, retail leaders like Federated, Walmart, Kroger, Walgreens, and Incredible Universe in North America, Woolworth Limited, and Coles Myer in Australia, Sainsbury in the United Kingdom, and others around the world enjoy a competitive edge. Real-time information right on the selling floor. They call it Minder, Mobile Integrated Network Data Access Program, one of the most advanced high-tech weapons in the war against crime. In the first project of its kind in the world, police in Queensland, Australia have combined 4 databases into a powerful mobile information network. Officers on patrol now have instant access to a myriad of on-the-spot data, including stolen car reports and outstanding warrants. Telxon wireless mobile computers enable police to communicate with headquarters from virtually anywhere, rather than being confined to their vehicles. When When disaster strikes in the United States, the same mobile technology now gives federal claims adjusters the paperless computing power to assess damage on the spot and speed financial aid to victims.
Okay, that's what I have. Thank you.
And at bedside in major healthcare centers, wireless Telxon technology enables doctors, nurses, and clinicians to capture and manage vital patient information from anywhere in the facility. Innovative Telxon technology is also making an indelible imprint in the mobile workforce environment. Companies like Sears and GTE Telephone Operations are deploying thousands of Telxon XC6000 laptop computers to enhance customer service in the field. The acclaimed XC6000 is the first ruggedized full-function laptop designed from the ground up to perform flawlessly in the most demanding application environments. In application-specific environments such as field service, healthcare, manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, retailing, insurance, and more. The key word today is wireless. And no company defines it better than Telxon. That's why Telxon Corporation is leading the wireless revolution in business information management around the globe.